Today I'm picking up already cooked chicken fried rice. All you need to put it in a pan with some oil, preheat it for 3 to 5, maybe 7 minutes until it's warm. This is the first time I tried this. Normally I cook it myself. And then I also pick up chicken spring roll. You have to put it in a toaster at 400 degree F and preheat for between 5 to 15 minutes. And make sure you keep your eye on it until it gets golden color. When I preheat all these, I will come back and share with you guys. I already cut out the aluminum foil. Now this is the toaster. I'm gonna lay the aluminum foil on here, slide them out. And here's the chicken spring roll. It is sure come in like 5 spring roll in pre-packed already. Make sure you separate them though, so they won't stick together. So this machine, when it's ready to cook, it will make a sound to let you know it is warm. Because the spring roll, it takes longer, so I do this one first and then I do the fried rice. Now we're gonna open it up and pre-check it. We're gonna flip it around. You can see that this side is good, but we need to heat this one on the bottom up because it's still soggy on the bottom. And cook for another 2 minutes or so, and then we'll come back and recheck it again. Now we're gonna open it up, pull it out, and we're gonna recheck it. Yeah, this is about good. When you close it, it's gonna heat up, and after I rewarm the fried rice, and then I'm gonna cook it for a little bit more to make it a little bit crunchy. This side is good, but this side is still not. But it depends on your taste. If you want it crispy, You can make it more crispy. Now I'm gonna pre-fry the fried chicken, fried rice. Okay guys, try to keep the either medium, not so low, but like that is good. So you get the taste of it. And this is the olive oil. I'm gonna put a few rub in here. And bring it up to warm. Even so, they already have garlic in here, but I like the flavor to enhance. This is my personal taste. This is the garlic powder. I'm gonna give it a few rub in here. And mix them up. Now I believe the oil already warm up because you can see the color of the garlic powder is changing the color. And here is pre-cooked chicken fried rice. I lower the heat down a little bit more so it won't be frying too much. As you can see, this is the chicken right here. That's what I had. Red pepper, the peas, they have egg, they have a carrot. Make sure keep it low to below medium heat, otherwise you're gonna burn it. And if you like, you can add some more chicken broth to enhance, not too much, to make it really good. It's looking good already, but I'm gonna give it about a minute or so more to make sure everything looks good. And if you like, you can also add some soy sauce or matchy to your flavor. Now I believe it is done because you can see the rice. Okay, I'm gonna turn up the heat. Okay, guys, after I preheat the fried rice, chicken spring roll, and now I'm gonna share with you. This is, you can use soy sauce or matchy, but I prefer matchy, and this is the chili garlic sauce because I like spicy. And here the first one is a chicken. Pretty good. And I put some pre-cooked fried rice. Yeah, this is good. I'm going to try the spring chicken roll. As you all can see, they have a chicken carrots and some other ingredient in there. It's good though. And I'm going to try some more fried rice. You can see fried rice, egg, peas. Fried rice, red pepper, carrots, and peas. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you the next one. Bye.